Hey guys, we received this curtain rods for test and try. This curtain rods gives a really nice wooden look, as you can see, TKZ brand, and then this gives a really nice wooden look. So let me just open the box and show it to you. So this curtain rods comes in different style and sizes, but you can also arrange and adjust the size based on your requirement or the window's length. So manual and everything is provided, and the box also have the sideways with this nice so these curtain rods, you can see, like, you can arrange based on the length or the desired length that you want to, and then they looks really nice as well. So here you can see, like, these rods, they have their numbered as well, but it's pretty straightforward to arrange or adjust this based on their things. The looks is really nice, the paint is really well, but this is metal but with the wood grain look. So this looks like a wooden curtain rod, but this actually the metal one with the wood grain paint. So see, here you can arrange and adjust the length based on your requirement, and then the side, the wooden pulls. So all the cords and everything is provided. So see, like, how you can manage, and you can now increase the length based on the requirement. Quality wise, this looks really good, as this is metal, so more durable. And this crafted one also looks really nice. This is wood, and then it can goes easily on the side of this one. Looks pretty cool, and very nice quality and design. You can see a really nice crafted one. All the hardwares are provided, so you can easily put this rod on your windows, which hooks really well with the adjustable things. So you can also adjust with the screw, so that it can hold the rod well. So this is you how adjust everything and install or assemble for your curtain rods look. After the installation, you can see the how this is looking. So this is perfectly fine and adjusts well, looks really good on the sides, and you can easily put the curtain and then give a nice look to your windows. Overall, a really nice durable curtain rod.